even getting some stalkers still driving through the flood. It's amazing. But it goes all the way down the street. We could launch a boat from my parking lot. We got the black SUV stalkers going back and forth, the gray SUV stalkers, the white vehicle stalkers. Yeah, we got white, gray, black stalker vehicles. White van down there. Right there, you want to get the flashers on. Yeah, this is the worst I've ever seen a flood. Driving back and forth through probably 3 feet of water. Just a pair of shit and use synthetic telepathy. They seem to think it's based here, but it's all over town. They like coming by here to start with me. There's another black truck. Black car. They're just making circles back and forth. Oh, black car's stalled out. Another black vehicle. Gray truck. I've seen him around a lot before. I don't know where he still is. Gray car. I've seen him around a lot too. Stalker vehicles, gray truck, white SUV, woman over there just called me an asshole. Then she said Johnny's a false messiah, we don't hear his psyops or some shit like that. Red vehicle. They're just probably passing through, don't want to hear shit. Obviously, kids down there. Kind of looks like the one that was over at the yoga class earlier today. Rav or whatever. Tail end more from the rest, from the darker vehicles. Debris floating around out here. I don't see the water going down either. It's like holding steady right here. Almost up to the house. This house is a little bit elevated, office and stuff. It goes way back there. Take a John boat out here and float around. There goes the black vehicle that the lights pointed at. I like hearing the thunder during the thunderstorm, that's it. But, you know, there's a long line of vehicles, gray, 2 gray vehicles on the street over here. At least they got an excuse tonight. They can say they came to drive through the water, play in the rain. Here comes a bus. Bus went through the flood, no problem. Black car. Wow, guy on his Harley. He's plowing through. That's a die-hard rider right there. Room car, gray truck. I just swore to seen him go through earlier. It's that dark gray Taurus, charcoal gray. Somebody over there with the lights on, sitting over at Office Depot. Looks like a gray vehicle and a black one from here. Can't really tell on the camera though. Around the vehicles. White vehicle pulling up over here. What do we got here? Oh, it's the gray truck again. You turn around for more. White truck again. Black truck again. Gray Lumina again. Gray van. It's amazing how these stalkers, man, it's like they're so programmed. They'll drive through hell and high water to stalk their target. I mean, I laugh about it. It's a serious issue. Fuck, man. I mean, this is ridiculous to drive back and forth these 3 feet of water like this. I mean, this is one for YouTube right here. What's this, black truck? Sure the hell is, too. I should have known. Oh, it's two-tone. It's got a gray stripe down at the bottom. It's like a Dodge. The white car, he's backing up with his lights off. Here comes a bus. See how he makes it through the flood water. At least the buses don't stalk people. Gray truck down there, see? down the street. They're going through the light again. Yeah, it's easy to get there. There's a white vehicle down the other road. It's easy to get these stalkers when there's 3 foot of water. They have to drive real slow through here. They're not flying through here like they usually are. And of course, they're the only ones that really want to drive through this shit. There's a service truck. It's white though, but I don't think they have anything to do with the no-touch torture program. Well, that's going through alright, I think. Car might stall out in flood water. Oh, white van. There's a gray truck down there too. I see him across the intersection. Van. Oh, gray car. Where's that white? That is white. That's a white car. It's kind of weird. I know these are popular colors, but I sit around here inside and I watch them on video cameras. Drive back and forth, back and forth. It's hard to prove anything unless there's no traffic, like late at night or like right now when it's flooded. You could actually say when you see these guys going back and forth, yeah, what's the purpose? You know, and I see them day in, day out, the same vehicles going back and forth and all this stuff. And a lot of this stuff is the two-way radio traffic that I'm picking up inside my office with the software-defined radio. There goes a white car over there. And there is the white RAV4 that drove by earlier. So it looks like it. And that was a black SUV. In front of those, there's a white car there. White vehicles are going that way. Well, what's this? White SUV. Drives around here back and forth a lot. It's like, and I don't understand how they get the gas money. I mean, gas prices are $3, $4 a gallon. They have to be getting paid to do this all day. Drive back and forth. Y'all shit at people. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but not to me anyway. You don't want to go outside at all, you know? That's my opinion. I'm not really around stalking people. This shit. This shit sucks. There's a white van. Cargo van. And 2 gray vehicles at the street down there. And we got 2 coming up here. Let's see what they are. Black truck. These guys just drove through around there over here. Just went around the corner the other way on the other side of Office Depot over there. He's only drove through here about 3 or 4 times since I've been out here. Where's that kind of gray? Yeah, it's kind of like a gray or a pearl, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Yeah, I never shut up either. I just keep on talking. because they hate that. They hate it when I talk. They hate it when I don't parrot their crap, too. There's a white truck again. He's driving slower this time. What we got down here? Black SUV. Loud exhaust. SUV. Oh, is he going around the floodwater? Is he going to shine his lights on me, honk a horn? Let's see. There goes a white SUV there, too. On the other side off the steep road. We got over here tan SUV, look like maybe Suburban or something, or Tahoe. And a white truck. White Jeep Cherokee. We're going to test out the Jeep in the floodwaters. The water's probably got to be 3 feet deep right there. There's a hole right there. Let's see if it's how much the vehicle stalks down. Oh, he didn't make a complete stop at the stop sign. Sitting here, he's just thinking about it. He wants to be a celebrity, YouTube celebrity, I guess. He probably figured, yeah, I could probably just save some gas and stalk the target from right here. Oh, there's a gray car over there. He's slipping around the corner. Watching drive circles around all day. I just thought it'd be interesting to get them driving through the floodwater like fools. I go back inside, start watching TV, and making stalking harass entities on the television or whatever. Who knows what they do? I don't know why they do it, but it don't make a whole lot of sense to me. It seems pretty stupid, but. Crossover. I guess that gray SUV there stopped. He ain't going to take a chance driving through it. Hey, look. This gray SUV's got some balls. Smile for the camera, gray SUV ball guy. Black SUV again. Yeah, Suburban. This is Suburban with the wheels. There's some nice wheels on it. See you driving around live. He finally just figured, oh, the hell with it. Stalking this guy just ain't worth all the trouble. Oh, there's the black truck with the gray stripe on the bottom. Coming through again. Black truck down that street. Stall out. I think he stalled his engine. And this is a black SUV behind him, and this is a black car with a gray fender. He made it through. Yeah, I think they're trying to hit some high ground there. White SUV down this way. Seagulls will be out here in a minute. On this water. What's this vehicle weird? Look at a truck, maroon or something. Gray car going the other way, down the other street way down there. He's got he's flashing his lights, check the water, guy stalled out. I'm wondering if this would have happened over here off the depot if the car was stalled out, if they're just sitting there waiting on Christmas or something. A black car and a gray SUV over off the depot with the lights on. A gray SUV again. And a black SUV behind them. They're just going to go ahead and park and back up, I think. And Marinette. Oh, there's a black truck. He's got to get out of the way so the black SUV can move. And then, they're almost getting an accident. The black car's backing up now out there. I think he's going to turn around too. Gray SUV, I guess he's backing up. He's going to turn around. Black car, I guess he decided to turn around. They're all going following each other, I guess. They're going to go somewhere else. That was a blue car, excuse me. That wasn't a black one. I don't think he must have any part of it. And the gray SUVs, the combo three there, they're going to go down the other way. Blue car went down this way. Gray SUV over here decided he's going to move. Oh, what's this? White truck stalled out down there, or somebody stalled, pushing somebody out of the water down there, stalled. Yeah, they're starting to stall out in the water now. Gray SUV turn around and come back this way. It's like a RAV4 or something with a spare tire on it. What's this over here? Gray SUV, I can't really tell. It's gonna be gray. White Camaro. This looks like a newer Camaro too. I can't believe he's going to drive through here. I bet it don't stall out though. And a black truck. Black little compact car again. I could have swore I just seen him go through there about 3 or 4 times, but hey, it could be in my imagination, you know what I mean? Just joking. There's some people walking through there now. I wonder if they stalled out down there too. Cars stall out down there? Oh, I didn't see a car. That guy's turning around now. He decided he wanted to go somewhere else. What's this? Why does she be? Yeah. You know, sometimes I get the feeling people get around me and they're talking to somebody else. You ever have that feeling? It's like some people just aren't all there sometimes. Great truck just went down behind Office Depot back here on this roadway back there. Can't really see, you know, but you can see his headlights. That is a maroon vehicle. Looks like it's starting to rain again. We might actually have some more in store here. What's this tow truck? He's just going to go ahead and plow right through it in that Ford. That's probably a diesel too. Flatbed. You know, he ain't going to have a problem getting through there. That's a red one. Red truck. I don't think he's affiliated with what I'm making this video about mainly. There's a black truck. We got down here. Is that a black car or is that like a deep green? It's kind of black from here. A white Jeep. It looks like it's got a lift kit on it. You shouldn't have a problem going through there. Yeah, that's a Jeep. Or is that an old Blazer? That looks like an old Jeep. There's a black car there. I think it's a white Hummer. They're all following each other, something. Cruising, I don't know what you call it. This is kind of weird. They're usually the same colors. What color is this one? This Suburban is... it's like a dark blue with a tan stripe. Well, I'm going to conclude this video. This does get kind of boring. That's the reason I haven't done a whole lot of the vehicle stuff, but it just kind of made it interesting because they're driving through so much freaking water. I mean, it goes on. It's like I've just never seen the road and the parking lots and all this flooded like this. It's like, wow, you know, it's like Louisiana or something. But Corpus Christi is coastal, so you expect this. See, this guy stopped. Is that the little black compact again? The bus. Here comes the bus. The bus shouldn't have no problem. It's a diesel. Probably a Detroit in the rear engine. Looks like the water might be going down a little bit. It went down maybe 4 or 5 inches. Little black compact. I guess he would have turned around. He didn't think he'd make it through that, huh? Oh, that ain't black. Oh, yeah, it's maroon or something. I thought it was black or cement until the light hit it. It was a maroon one. Yeah. This little smart car or something. This one might get stuck here too. This little compact. White SUV. Black truck. Oh, little compact guy is going to hit it, huh? And great gray compact, charcoal gray, black truck, black compact again. I think it's the same one that's drove through here about 3 or 4 times, isn't it? Yeah, same model. It's like a Scion or smart car. There's a black car, gray van.
There's a wet flatbed. He's just passing through.
These assholes in the black SUVs and gray vehicles driving by. Those are what I call the synthetic telepathy stalkers. I branded them. Gray SUV on the back street back there. Probably one of these guys on a robo dude. Because that's what they sound like on the radio in the house. It kind of makes me wonder if they just come by here to screw with the microwave transceiver. Really, besides that, it ain't really serving a purpose except for screwing up what I hear on the software-defined radio. I've been recording all their stuff for years. Our bus, he's just going to plow right on through. Shouldn't hurt the bus none. That guy in that SUV over there, he's been sitting over there a long time. He was over here, now he's moved over here. What's this? Gray truck? Yeah, it's a gray truck. Did they stall out or get stuck? What happened to them? They're just turning around. The guy in the gray truck stopped. They're all gone. Oh, yeah, it's a gray car. Gray Grand Am. Or is that a Grand Prix? It's hard to tell. A gray Pontiac, anyway. Black Z24 is that? Oh, Monte Carlo, black Monte Carlo.
Here comes the guy in the Mustang. Uh-oh.
White Mustang, he's going to plow right on through, and did he stall? No, he didn't stall. Here's the black car, he's just going to go ahead and fly through there. Red and gray van's like, hey, go, dude. He's letting out his horn even. They're red and gray. Mercury van. And what do we got here? SUV dude. That was the guy who was sitting over at the Office Depot parking lot for a long time, isn't it? Is he going to drive through or he's debating it? No, he's going to back up again. Great vehicle down there. Some seagulls are flying in, like I said. Here is charcoal gray truck man.
Alright, they're still out.
They're just off. What's it on? Is it a maroon? Yeah, it looks like a maroon vehicle. Gray vehicle. Black truck. Gray vehicle took off and went the other way. I think he was just stalking the maroon vehicle. They're turning around. They're going this way now. They'll probably end up over here. I'll catch him in a minute. Oh, what's this over here? Gray vehicle. Now, isn't this kind of more than a coincidence? That's why I just figured I'd have to video record it. What's the truck? Black truck. Black truck. Black truck, dude. It's a black truck, dude. Oh, white truck. It'll all be interesting when I pull it off the SDR in the office here, too. Gray car, dude. He's circling around. He's coming through. No, what's he going? He's all lopsided. Gray car stopped over there. He's gonna shine the lights on there. This goes a target. Gray car's gonna stop here. Gray car's going over here. Black truck dude's over here. Where's that other truck? It looks black. It might be dark red. See when he gets under the light. Is that a gray Mercedes with wheels? Gray car. Oh no. He's all off in the curb and the hole. Oh, now he's going to hit the deep hole in the old gray car. Oh. Now the other gray car is going that way. Chase the other gray car? I don't know. Let me just see what color his truck is, but I do want to bet it's fucking black. He bets. Oh no, it's a white truck. It's the white Dodge. I don't know what the purpose is of driving around in circles around here, but man, they've been doing it a long time. There's a bus. The bus is actually a person driving through. You see these same vehicles, they just come around. It's like they circle me like vultures. And they do this wherever I go, you know. I don't know the purpose. I guess they think maybe they're controlling something. It's not even necessary. Oh, there goes a black car and a gray car. Down the other way, they just said the hell they were going to go this way now. Oh, now they're turning down the other way. Oh, that's the black and gray truck, two-tone truck. Bus is gonna make it through no problem, I guess. Boy, I bet he almost got a wet floorboard on that deal. Black truck with a boat on top of it. He's gonna kayak in the gray car. Charcoal gray car. He's gonna go through again. See what we got down here. See if we get those two gray vehicles, if they're gonna come through again, or if they're just gonna go home or something, or sit in the parking lot over there. But there's the bus. What's this? Gray van? Is that aquamarine van? Yeah, it's gray. Good, gray. White car. Taxi cab, yellow taxi cab. I'm sure he has a purpose. He's probably got a destination. Let's see here. Black SUV. No, it's gray. Gray SUV, dude. And is that a dark maroon Dodge truck? And there went, looked like a gray truck, charcoal gray truck. truck, and black car. And let's see what we got here.
White car with the wheels.
That would be the Monte Carlo I was talking about earlier. I haven't worked on cars for years, so making models kind of hard. Moon truck.
Black truck.
Gray van. Now is it me or is this trending pattern? You know what I mean, viewers? Black car with the wheels on it, fancy wheels. And things are kind of dying down now. I think they all. What's this? Mowed through, didn't catch them. White car over there. Gray car. And charcoal gray truck. And
Black SUV again.
I think he was giving me the finger. Looked like the passenger was giving me a finger in the black SUV. I give you a finger too. And black car. Black truck. Black truck looks like. Gray truck. Sounded like somebody slammed on the brakes and got in an accident. Or almost did. That's the charcoal gray truck. Could be Ass Man again. Sound like I heard Ass Man on the SDR in the office. And this is Aqua Green truck. Wow, big change. Step slides, Z71. And this is black truck. Plain. Wonder what color it is. Just kidding. Just plain. Probably Coast Guard. Big storm coming through. Probably just flying around, chucking stuff. And yeah, gray car over there. Followed by a black car. And black car went down that street there. Way down there. What we got over here? Gray SUV. He's stopping. That's the gray SUV. Crossover SUV. Now he's backing up. And black truck it look like. Gray Taurus. Station wagon gray Taurus. You don't see very too many of those. Didn't they quit making those in like 98 or 2000 or something? Gray vehicle. Down that way. I mean, I could tell you I could just probably stand out here all night, but it's kind of a boring video. And click a black Suburban with gray on the bottom. I'm seeing lights back here. It's like they're in the backyard or something over here. You see that back here? You hear them revving up a car? Let's go check that out. Who's this guy back here? What's he doing? A black vehicle? Hell, they might be trying to get us to target any way they can, but there's a fence back there. No, it's probably somebody playing around in their backyard. The street over there might be flooded too. What's this? Black car sitting here. What is that? Toyota?
What if they stalled out?
I think I got some starting fluid and dry out the spark plug wires and usually start up.
Or just
over there, he's probably thinking he's got to sit there and stalk and harass a target or some bullshit. Actually, that looks like a dark blue Toyota from here. Sitting under that sign there. There's a gray SUV or something there. Looks like he's gonna pull the other guy.
White car. Maybe step off the porch.
Quit raining. Boy, this water, man, it's just everywhere. And it's hard to get enough light. I almost wish I would have brought a flashlight out to shine on the water a little bit. You can see it with the lights.